Hi everyone, attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week I'm answering the question of, do I have to pay more in child support because my ex had another child? So a couple of weeks ago I talked about what child support is based off of. And yes, one of the things that child support is based off of is the number of children, not only that you share with the person that you are paying or receiving child support from, but also the total number of children that that person has. So that is something that a lot of my clients can find to be very frustrating. Why should I receive less in child support just because he went and had two other children? Or why should I pay more in child support just because she went and had two other children? It's a common complaint. But let me explain the reason behind the rule, and maybe it will help you kind of understand where it comes from. So basically, every family has, a finite number of resources, right? They have the amount of money that's coming into their household, and that is the money that they need to support their entire household, regardless of if their household is just a mom and a dad and one child, or a mom and three children, or a dad and 7 children. It doesn't matter, but that pot that they have coming into the household of their income, that is what they have to spend to support themselves. And so the child support formula is going to tell you, well, this is a minimum amount of your income every year that you have to spend when you have an additional child, right? So if someone has only one child that they have to support, then obviously they have more income available to support that child than if they have 2 children, or 3 children, or 4 children, or even 5 children. Now, one important thing is that the child support formula does cap out at 5 children. So after the number of children that you support increases over and above the number 5, you're no longer going to see changes to the amount of child support for purposes of the formula. I hope that this video has helped you at least understand why the rule is in place, even if it is something that you don't like or that you're personally having impact from. As always, if you have questions about your child support, and if it's time for you to decide, whether child support needs to be recalculated and whether you need to go to the court to make that request, please give our office a call. We're here to help.